been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom got the New York the shelf. Now my bitch addicted to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, dark in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you're the prince and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it.
Oh my god, I overslept and almost missed the sunrise, but I gotta catch a bit. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, can you all guys see that? Can you all see that? Oh, I came running up here. I didn't want to miss this golden moment.
Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hands? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let the truth. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Oh my god, it's so pretty! Yay! Look at me! Habibi, come to US! Oh, woo! The water is freezing, but I don't care. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, oh. My heart is
step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is hurting. Trying to make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always always inside. Good living in my mind, hold me on my feet.
Middle of nowhere.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Our last day at the camp, so that means that this video has come to an end. I've had a time of my life here. I would not have wished for a better camping than whatever I experienced. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one. For now, bye, Assateague.